So we got this elevator here. And would you look at that? It looks normal until you look through and you see someone on the other side. There's 2 cabs. So let's go down. See the indicator in the view? Slow leveling. See, it's already going up. I won't. Look in there. It still says mezzanine on that side. We'll look through there. And you can see on that side, it goes and opens up to the platform.
In another elevator. We can't get away from him.
God damn it. All right.
You push it.
Here we go. That's what it looks like from this part. And so now it's going to open here. And look, this door's going to open too. So they're going to get out there. And they're going to come out and around to here in a second. Hi, guys.
Hello. This thing is so weird. It's brighter in this cab.
Look through there.
Very cool way of doing things.
I'm gonna hop out. Bye. And look, you'll see the hoistway is a whole lot bigger than the actual elevator. Yeah, look at that. And there's that. And that's it.